I'm going to ask Sam now. You're VP at Mimik, which is a pioneer in hybrid edge cloud technology. Maybe you can break down for our attendees what we mean when we talk about hybrid edge cloud. What exactly does it entail?
Sure, thank you, Sterny. So let me start by saying that we are in the midst of transitioning from a mobile internet world to a hyper-connected world. So in the mobile internet world, the mobile devices connected to internet to consume data. And therefore, it was the birth of the web services. Now, in the hyper-connected world, it's all about X to X communication. Everything needs to talk to everything. And it's also where the digital meets every aspect of our physical world. What that means is that, for instance, your connected car needs to talk to the smart devices at home. At the same time, it needs to talk to the smart city infrastructure or talk to the other vehicles in the vicinity for V2V and V2X related use cases, or your connected thermostat needs to communicate with your solar panel, so on and so forth. So there are all these devices in our life that needs to communicate with each other all the time in real time to achieve certain tasks. Now, before I get into Mimik's hybrid edge cloud platform, let me say what we mean by the big word of edge. To us, all these devices that are generating data, so which is usually devices that are running the application, are considered edge device. You can think about it as any compute that is outside of the data center and has some memory, processing power, storage, and connectivity is considered edge device to us. Now, what hybrid edge cloud platform does, it simply enables all these computing devices to act as cloud servers and discover and connect and communicate with other devices in a peer-to-peer fashion at the application level, and only go to the central cloud when needed, for instance, for running global functions. And that's why we call it hybrid. So we're not offering something to replace the central cloud. No, it's quite the opposite. In fact, we are partners with some of the largest cloud providers, and we're working with them closely. What we're really doing, we are extending the cloud capability all the way to the edge, to all this compute that is sitting on the edge near consumers. And by doing that, in fact, over time, we're now building a cloud out of all these computing devices, which eventually will be much larger in a scale than the central cloud as it is today. Right now, our platform is used by application developers in every industry vertical for their application development purposes. And what it really enables them to do, it enables them to develop their application, the front-end application, in a microservice serverless architecture, such that now some of the functions are running as part of the application on the end device, right? Today, the entire brain of all these apps that we're using is on the central cloud. Our platform is bringing some of that down to the device as part of the application. Now, so I'm gonna get into the benefits of that later, but what we're really doing with our hybrid edge cloud technology is it's all about powering up the hyper-connected world digital economy by unlocking the next generation of applications.